You got the string in there. Hello, girl.
The string's still in there.
What's he doing, Ava?
Ready to have some fun?
Pick it up, Zach.
What?
Pick her up and put it on there.
Pick her up?
Pick it up and put it up there.
It's like Baby X Games.
That's what me and Dad
Come
said.
on, let's see a flip. No, it's not.
Oh. Dad, you made a rut. She doesn't know what to do.